Let's learn how to delete a YouTube video right from your mobile device. Whether you've uploaded a video you no longer want on your channel or you've made some changes to your content strategy, we've got you covered. You can easily delete a video right on your iPhone or Android device, and it's pretty easy. So we won't be using the official YouTube application for this, but we'll need to download the YouTube Studio app. YouTube Studio is available for both iOS and Android devices, and it is designed for YouTube creators in order to view the analytics, edit the video title, thumbnail, description, and lots of other stuff. So if you don't have YouTube Studio installed, make sure to download it and install it, and we can continue to the next step. Open the app and log in with your YouTube account. I'm already logged in, and let's delete the video or videos. You want to click on this content section right here, and that's going to give us a list view of all of our YouTube videos. Find a video that you want to delete from your channel and click on it. Now click on this little pen icon at the top right of our screen. That's going to open our video editor, and you want to find this More Options button. It should be at the bottom of the page, so click on that button, and that's going to open some additional settings about our video tags, comments, and other stuff. We also have this delete from YouTube, so click on it. You'll get this pop-up message that if you delete the video, the decision is permanent and it can't be undone. So once you delete your YouTube video from the channel, it will be gone forever. If you're not sure if you want it permanently deleted, you can set the visibility of the video to private. That way, only you can see the video and it will be available to you, and no one else can see it. But if you don't care about the video and you don't really need it, you can simply delete it permanently. And that's about it. That's how we can delete videos from our YouTube channel on mobile. Thank you so much for watching, and consider subscribing to the channel. See you in the next one.